Continuing the topic of external integrations, what if you want to create your own unique integration that isn't available in the SendPulse marketplace? Do you need maximum flexibility and full control over your data? In this lesson, we'll talk about the SendPulse CRM API, a tool for developers that allows you to connect the CRM with any system. When standard integrations are not enough and business processes require a unique approach, you run into limitations. Manually transferring data or using complex connectors isn't always efficient. The SendPulse CRM API is a set of commands that allows an external system to communicate with the SendPulse system. Thanks to the API, you can create, read, update, and delete data in the CRM directly from your own application. The API allows you to implement any custom logic. For example, you can automatically create deals in the CRM when a client submits an inquiry on your website or synchronize data with your ERP system. Here's a look at what you can do with the API. Create contacts. For example, when a new user registers on your website, create and update deals. Track the entire customer journey from the first contact to the purchase. Manage pipelines. Create and change stages in your sales pipelines. Retrieve data. Request information about contacts or deals for analysis. API integration gives you complete flexibility in managing your data. You can automate unique business processes, improve work efficiency, and ensure information accuracy by minimizing human error. It's your tool for creating an ecosystem that works exactly the way you need it to. If you are a developer or have a programmer on your team, start working with the SendPulse CRM API. Get our keys and create solutions that will take your business to the next level.